All right.
It's only
Happy National Static Electricity Day. So just a couple of reminders as we wrap up 5.3.5.4 here. We're going to take a formative on Tuesday, along with getting questions and all that stuff answered on Tuesday also. Juniors, sophomores and juniors on Tuesday, we will also be doing course selection sheets for next year. And then having that ready to go, all that fun stuff. Okay, we are on that supplemental note sheet that I gave you yesterday. The solving, we're on the solving part. That white 5.4 double angles sheet looks like this. Okay, maybe on the back side, we're going to finish off those 3 problems that we haven't done quite yet. Okay, so before we do that, somewhere on that sheet or in your own notes, up in the upper corner or something like that, just as a quick warm up, just kind of getting thinking, starting to think back to, thinking about your final, which is in a couple of weeks. Find me the reference angles for those 3 angles, please. Go for it. All right, so where is 223 degrees? Which quadrant? Quadrant is 223 in. 3, right? So it's down here. Okay, so that's 223. So my reference angle would get me back to the horizontal. So I would have to subtract 180. So I get a reference angle here of 43 degrees. Yes? Okay. What quadrant is 18 pi over 7 in? Two? Do we agree with 2? Right? Because, so this would be 7 pi over 7 here, right? This would be 14 pi over 7 here, right? That means that this then would be 17.5 pi over 7 up there. Because half of 7 is 3.5, right? Oh, sorry, did you say, I'm sorry, I was thinking quadrant 3. My fault. Yes, you were correct. I'm sorry. My fault. I don't know why I was thinking quadrant 3 was up there. Happens. So we're up there, which means I need to get back down here to, this would then be 21 pi over 7. So my reference angle here would be 3 pi over 7. I have no idea why I thought that was quadrant 3. I'm like, no, it's in quadrant 3. Brain fart. Okay. What quadrant is negative 93 degrees in? That's in quadrant 3, right? So I got to get back to the horizontal. So that would be, if this is a 3-degree angle right there, so my reference angle here then would be 87 degrees. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? All right, let's get into it. Cosine squared plus sine equals cosine of 2x. So clearly don't like this one. So what could we make that one become instead? cosine squared minus sine squared. Okay. That was the first choice that we had in number 22. Okay. What would we do next then? Set it to 0? Okay. Right? Which side do you want to go on to? You want to go on to everything, bring everything left, or push everything to the right? Left? Okay. So if I'm going to go left with things, then I'm going to subtract cosine squared of x. And then I'm going to add sine squared of x. Okay. If I do that, then I get sine squared of x plus sine of x equals 0. Now what can I do? Factor out a sine. What's left over? Sine plus 1. Factor any more? No? Okay, so now what? Sine of x equals 0. And? So then sine of x would equal negative 1. Okay, where on the unit circle, first lap, is sine equal to 0? 0 and pi. Where first lap is sine equal to negative 1? 3 pi over 2. So my answers are 0, pi, and 3 pi over 2. You now, actually, first off, any questions on that one? You now do number 3. Agree with me so far? Sine of 2x. I changed to 2 sine of x, cosine of x from formula number 21. No? Yeah, 21. Yeah, 21. And cotangent is cosine over sine. Yes? Okay. If I multiply the entire equation by sine, then I would get 2 sine squared of x cosine of x plus cosine of x equals 0. Agree with that? Factor out a cosine. Set my factors equal to 0. Almost forgot my plus or minus. So that's imaginary, right? Because it's a square root of a negative number. So that one goes away, that whole side, not possible. Cosine is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Agree? All right, let's do the doozy. If you want to use an extra sheet of paper, you by all means can. Okay, we will for sure fill up that bottom corner of this one, just so you know. Okay. So that would be the sine of 2x plus x. Do we agree with that statement? That 3x is 2x plus x. Okay. All right. So then this then would become, utilizing now identity number 19, this would become the sine of 2x cosine of x plus cosine of 2x sine of x. All of that still equaling 0. With me so far? Okay. Sine of 2x would be 2 sine of x cosine of x, still being multiplied by another cosine of x. What do we want to switch cosine of 2x to be? 1 minus 2 sine squared? Okay. Because then everything's got a sign. Yep. I like it. Okay. Let's just make it nice and prettier. So we've got sine of x plus 2 sine of x cosine squared of x plus sine of x minus 2 sine cubed of x. Agree with me on that so far? can factor out a 2 sine of x from everything. That's going to leave me with 1 plus cosine squared minus sine squared. What do you want to do next? I know what I want to do next, but I want to hear what you guys want to do next.
Switch the cosine squared x to 1 minus sine squared t for x.
Oops. Oops. Come on. Simplify it again. Agree? Now what can we do? I'm gonna get rid of my shade because otherwise it won't let me extend the page. Now what can we do? It's factored, right? So now what can we do? Set the factors equal to 0. So where is sine equal to 0? Sine's equal to 0 where? 0 in pi. Where is sine equal to positive 1? Pi over 2. Where is sine equal to negative 1? So we've got 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. Okay? Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? You got the remaining time to work on your homework packet.